rep one time who was an amazing man, a great rep for me, was killing it every year, year over year. And all of a sudden, something went south in his life, and he was literally at the bottom of my team. And I figured out a way of just sort of building him back up. And I created what's called a Silky Sullivan Award. And Silky Sullivan, if you're familiar with horse racing, he was known as the California Comet. This horse, was amongst of all the great closers, was the one that usually came from the furthest back. We looked at every single part of our methodology, from his initial outreach to his initial messaging, to his proposal design and development, to the conversations that he was having, to his forecasting capability. We fixed the little elements that across his entire approach, just to get him back up into a high performing selling rep for our company. And ultimately, he won the Silky Sullivan Award. He came from the back of the pack the previous year and returned to the #1 spot on my team.